Which fight?
So now we jump to fight number 4 here. Technically the 3rd fight in this cage, but if you are following us on the immaf app, this is scheduled as fight number 4. Akhmadzhon Kakhorov from Tajikistan will take on Julian Santos from the Philippines. There is Julian. Final checks from our officials. Tajikistan just coming off the back of claiming another victory here in this cage. And with this fight, you will see a big height difference between the two young athletes. Absolutely amazes me the composure that these young men, these young women, these aspiring athletes have as they step onto this stage, this platform, into this cage under these bright lights. And off we go. Akhmadzhon in the purple kit, blue corner, taking on the Philippines. Julian Santos, he's in the white kit, red corner, looking to try and get the clinch established. He has it now, looking at the arm drag, trying to drag his man to the mat. Laid his game plan out nice and early. Trying to establish this side control. That knee there just stopping the leg of Kakhorov on the bottom, re-engaging, getting those hips back in the game. Straight away you can see the understanding that Julian Santos has of the ground game. It just shifts that left leg of his opponent, Akhmadzhon, away, and then uses it, steps over into mount. Clinical stuff, and this is absolutely superb from the Philippines athlete. And look at the way he's using his hips to base out, but Tajikistan, wow, really good stuff there from Kakhorov. He has got a handful in the form of the Philippines. Julian Santos on top of him. And Santos straight away, right from the start, looked to close that distance, completely aware of where he believes his advantages lie. A strong top position in side control, trying to step over again. No strikes allowed on the ground whatsoever in this UFC bracket. It's all about grappling progression. You can see just how high up on the body there Santos is, and what that does is take away the hips. The hips are where you can engage a lot of power for escapes. You can bump your opponent to make space, but Santos staying so high up that the hips of Kakhorov are completely out of the game. Now he's got that knee on belly position, really good control, powering that shoulder, that left shoulder into the face, and use it to take the back, but really good scramble here from Kakhorov. But instantly attacked again, and looking for the armbar, switching round is Santos. What a really impressive display of grappling control. Might be looking to set up the mounted triangle from here. Or switch to the armbar, trying to isolate that right arm of Kakhorov. Oh, look, great work. A nice explosion and urgency from the Tajikistan fighter. But he has had it all to do under the pressure. And when I talked about the height advantage on the feet, yes, it's an advantage, but right now you've seen how Santos has taken that away, negated that by keeping it on the ground. No up kicks allowed as well from the opponent on their back towards their opponent. Strong performance there from the Philippines. Julian Santos, wow. Really impressive stuff. And that earns him the victory here. Really super impressive performance. Laid out his game plan from the start. And it was, for me, the control, understanding how to